So if you want to find archived text messages on Android, first of all, make sure that you have Google Messages application installed, because, for example, this feature is not available on your Samsung Messages. Now open up your Google Messages option. At the top right corner, you'll find your account icon, or it may be your photo or just initials, as I do, right? So tap it, and here you'll see your additional menu. Now we gotta find our archived chats, and here will be the list of our archived chats, just like this. So if you want to restore some chat, simply hold on it, and here at the top right corner you'll find this box icon. Tap on it, and as you see, one conversation was unarchived, just like this. If you want to return this conversation to archived, or for example you want to set some other conversation to archived, once again choose it, press this icon at the top, and it was archived. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.